In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox voice chat when it is not working, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto the top right corner and clicking this and Settings. Now, this will be in Privacy, and as you can see, it'll be under Beta Features. My voice chat is enabled, but if yours is not enabled, it might mean that you have not done the age verification yet. If you scroll down and click on Help, it'll open up this where you can search up chat with voice, and it'll give you a full guide on how to complete age verification, as you can see. Since I've already done that, that may not be the reason why your voice chat is not working. Another thing may be because of your actual settings in-game. If you go and click on this Roblox icon and click on Settings, you'll see that there are multiple settings in relation to voice chat. As you can see, there is an input device, and mine is actually incorrect. So just make sure it's selected on the right microphone, and also make sure that your volume is turned up because that will ensure that people can hear your voice chat. And the final reason may be because your output device or something else is not configured properly. Another thing that may be wrong is if these people are not muted or if they cannot be heard. Just make sure that if they are on voice chat that you can actually hear them, and if you can hear them, they may be able to hear you. That's really all there is to it to fixing voice chat. Be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.